But me not understand, remember, you know? Me not understand how Ashley I deal with. Me never hear Ashley talk about her man where fuck her and left her with the pitney yet. Me never hear Ashley company media and bring him down yet. I can't have name make Ashley I do them thing there. I can't have name Ashley company media and do them thing there, bro. Because our man are me no want this our baby father, you know. You see, because our baby father breed her and run left her and not take care of the pitney. You see. I mean I say, Mama, not for the
you ever think say Jaydenn say she did it with you before your things get tough up and she just feel like say
me thing ever tough up, bro. When me there with Ashley, me no want chat too much me having a car when we not give me, you know. You see.
no, we not talk about your money and me just say because me hear she said and I say when Jaydenn didn't have nothing, I was there with the pranks and all of that. So this is why I'm asking you that question to say.
Bro, me I tell you. Me never usually go number 1, but me usually go number 5, number 7, number 3, number 4, and them number there. You see, me and Rosalie.
Yeah, so I'm like say, you that.
And I like somebody, bro, me never broke, bro. Cause remember somebody have a market, you know, man.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, man. Remember somebody have a market around the place, bro. You see, so me thing never shabby them time there, bro. You see it. You see me I say? Bro.
So that part, you know,
bro, one at time.
So me not understand that part.
Listen, okay. One at time me have much money. One at time me have much money. And ask Ashley where money done pan. Ashley money done pan her pitney and she. Pampas. Bro, me can never have Ashley in her house while they are hungry. Yet never in my life, bro. Cause me know how hungry feel, bro. Me I come from homes, bro. Me know how hungry feel, dog. You see it? So would I never have Ashley, bro. And if Ashley that hungry, bro, you feel like Ashley that come back to Jamaica to me, bro. If Ashley did in her house I suffer as what she has said. Bro, or when Ashley left from me, bro. When Ashley left from me, I'm gonna go back go see Ashley. I say, Jesus, you lose so much weight, man. You lose a whole heap of weight. You know? You see it? You're on the ball. This is the weight I wanted to lose. And we are chatting. When we did that night, the girl video me everything. The girl video me expose. So when I feel like said that night there, me now want Fabi know somebody there now because I call TJ and say, yo TJ, the girl want help with something, you know, bro. You see it? So me I wonder if me go, yeah TJ, no TJ say, yo tell Fabi. I mean I said, no dog, she not gonna believe, bro. You see, she not gonna believe. I'm still go where they go get Ashley money. You see it?
The money lead up to sex.
Yeah, mama. No, not sex. More video.
Underpants when you come Jaydenn. We see your underpants.
I'm underpants. I mean, I tell you, say my underpants never look so dirty neither, you know. I tell you, you know. So she bring on herself too. Cause imagine my underpants look so. Are you really make me take out my hood and show me now you? You know, there's something wrong with you. I know me you bring none, bro. Yourself you bring none, bro.
Yeah, but actually, come on, contact on. We had sex and this and that, so that never happened. Jaydenn.
No, man, if you do that on my bed, man, I'm willing to take it on my bed, man. I tell you, man.
Alright. But, alright, see what you say? Yeah, man.
I can't lie on pum pum, you know. You say pum pum, I want me to lie on it. I get it. I get it. Now I go tell us something, get it.
It's not really wrong, but you know, we are woman and we want to know. But anyways, I'm going to help her and this and that. So, then time they Ashley release all of that afterwards just to heard Fabi. Alright, Jaydenn, I'm gonna ask you one question. You can say you don't know or whatever.
Yeah.
Do you think Fabi is capable of releasing everything? Your video and the picture them?
Which video that?
The video were out there where Ashley said she not release with you.
No video not out there, bro.
It come a lot of see that video when the boy had to go to I never you.
No, bro, I know so that video that I swear for my life, I know me.
I don't know say I know you that either.
Bro,
exactly.
that video I know me, bro. Me just run with it, you know.
Exactly.
I see him like a big old picture where them put out. I see
exactly.
me. Just run with it, bro. I know me, you know.
Exactly. Tell them that I know you. Okay then.
Bro, I said that boy where they another video there, that boy they mad. But I swear for my life, bro. I swear for my life, I know me, bro.
I know, yeah, okay then. Okay
then. Me I tell her, say I know me, bro.
I know you.
Me I tell her, bro. I know me, bro.
So Jaydenn say I know him in a video. But that's a question.
The person in the video have mustache.
So that me I say, bro, me not no mustache, bro.
Okay.
Me a slam girl and look side to side. I work if me a slam in look side to side. No my off. Bro, even Ashley can know say no me that, bro. Cause she know the position, you know.
And somebody say Ashley says it's not you. Somebody say Ashley says it's not you.
Yeah, she know say no me, bro. Ashley know me go to work.
All
That's
right,
why
so
she always come back.
if Ashley know that it's not Jaydenn in the video, right? If Ashley
How she know that? How she know that?
Cause Ashley know me, bro. Ashley know me.
No, me I say how she know that because probably she put it out. So that's why she knows say no you.
So if Ashley, all right, and me answer, you think Fabi that do that to Ashley? Cause people are called Fabi name, that's why me answer. You think Fabi capable of doing it? To release Ashley picture them?
Well, I don't want to say no on them. Say me
Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
You're not for answer.
Leave it alone.
Yeah.
All right, do you think Ashley is capable of putting out her own pictures?
Ashley?
Yeah.
Right
you
now,
think she do that to herself?
I know, right now, me there, so Ashley, why me dead, you know? Cause when Ashley go on the live and I see them, all of them things there, bro. Cause she know the type of people that when me there around, okay. You see it. And when I go on the internet and I see them things there, plus I call up his paint town man, them, they want me dead, bro. You see it. And in the street, if you dad them roll me and them thing there, them go and say, yo, I shit up gang that. You see it, and the dad them go feel away. You see it. Yeah.
So Saji Graham, may you come over here for? Didn't have to answer nothing to you. Find someone.